Ask
Oh,
for
you do that?
1018. I've got 105 clear.
Right. I'm the CIA. I can do what I want.
No, that's not true.
The fuck I can't. I work for the president.
No, you
I
don't.
can turn you the fuck in. You don't believe me?
Start 105 to
Call
the
right now.
I tried.
Call me
You
a lie.
didn't answer.
Right.
and everybody else on paper in
He's
Claremont.
telling you, fat.
For today's video, you'll see an officer respond to a call about a man with mental illness who was suffering from delusions. He arrived on scene and spoke to a man who believed he was in the CIA. He believed he owned the shoe store he was standing in front of. He also believed he was in charge of the police department.
Well, there's this guy, I work at a shoe show on West Broad Street, and he's like banging at my door telling me he's going to break in my door, and he's saying he's like, I don't even know, FBI, CIA, something crazy, and says nobody's coming and calling me the B word and all kinds of stuff, like sitting here banging at my door.
If you spend much time listening to the media, politicians, and community activists, you might believe that police officers are not very well prepared for dealing with this kind of situation. While you're watching the video, I want you to ask yourself, does this officer seem prepared? I can tell you for a fact that this officer is just like many officers across the country who are very well prepared and very capable of handling this kind of call. With all that being said, I hope you enjoyed today's video. I hope you learned something, and I'll talk to you soon.
So what are you trying to get? What are you trying to get in the store for today?
What does it matter?
I don't know.
Right. It doesn't matter. So.
Well, it does matter. What
No, it doesn't.
What are you trying to get in there
I'm going
for?
to get what I want out of the store. That got
Airing
some
4
tracking
just
numbers.
information, Sullivan
This is a shoe
Industrial
store.
Mile.
Exactly.
County transfer.
No, you don't.
Suspect
Okay.
vehicles a black vehicle
There's
heading
no
west
culprit
from
here.
Sullivan. Victims in the
So if I go
silver
in there
Honda
and I say,
Accord.
hey,
No, Brandon, you're
my
not.
Another
credit
blocking
is
in
on
the
here.
middle
My
of the
credit is
road.
on here.
Radio
Yes, it is,
Net 10.
man. Quit playing with me, dude. He's not lying. She just said that. He's not lying.
That's not what anyone said.
The fuck? Listen to your fucking.
Hang out and talk to me so I can figure this out for you, okay?
Yes, then you call about 16 feet.
I'm channel 3.
Negative.
You're
I have a
yeah.
16 shoe priority,
19?
2165 westbound, possibly
It's
in
February
occupied
19,
45.
2019.
Where are you?
And I have a
19?
34
Right.
coming in,
You work for me.
3560 Climb Road apartment,
Oh, you
Aspen,
do that.
possible 1018. I've got 105 clear.
Oak City.
Right. I'm the CIA. I can do what I want.
No, that's not true.
The fuck I can't. I work for the president.
No, you
I
don't.
can turn you the fuck in. You don't believe me?
Start
Call
105 to
supervisor right now.
the
I
1018.
tried.
Call me a
You
lie.
didn't answer.
Right.
And
Exactly.
everybody
Not
else on
lying.
paper in
He's
Claremont.
telling you, fat daddy, not lying.
It's not
He just said
that.
it.
It's not that you're lying.
105
it's
if
that
you
you're
can go ahead and start
not
first.
telling the truth.
3560 Climb Road
What
apartment,
you're
Aspen.
saying is not
Caller
real.
Well, yes, it's the
Sisters
fuck it
1018.
is. Call your supervisor in again.
I
bet he don't
tried.
answer.
He didn't answer
I
his
bet you
phone.
3 times you don't answer.
That's right. He didn't answer.
Right.
What's in your pocket right here?
Nothing. If I wanted to buy a gun, I could. I'm going to go in the store and tell them what I
Well,
want.
you have warrants right now.
Okay, so what?
You can't buy guns if you have warrants.
I know. What the fuck? Y'all gonna stop me?
If you're in the CIA, you wouldn't have
My record is
warrants.
sealed right now, stupid.
You what? No, it's not.
Yeah, it is.
You have warrants out of Ashland.
Prove it. That's fraud. That's Josh. That's Josh that did that shit.
9101.
And there's reports coming up, right? It's gonna keep coming back.
9101.
What? They're calling you. Go ahead, answer it.
Marshall
they're not
150, where do you need us?
No, they said 9191.
It's 19 backwards.
Nope. Stay here
Well,
with me,
I have
Brandon.
that 16, 2165 westbound.
Brandon, stay here with me.
Caller says daughter's car was stolen last night. They found
Brandon,
it.
come here.
Says there's 3 male blacks in the vehicle now. It's going to be a gray 2021 BMW.
Brandon,
There's
where you going?
What,
a
man?
report.
I can't leave my car. It's unlocked.
260, right? Fuck you, I gotta keep telling you. 113. There's 2 113s. I got it right here. Credit. That's
Okay,
fraud.
I copy.
190.
190.
If 720 is not close, can you start another car as well?
I copy. 720, are you close to the 3690
Where do
Salvador?
you normally go to treatment and stuff, Brandon?
Whenever I want to. Southeast.
You normally go to Southeast?
Yeah.
When's the last time that you were there?
Whenever I feel like it. I don't really feel like going.
If I can get a car from
When
15
was the
precinct,
last
please,
time
this
you were
are
there?
for 190 3690 Saldana.
You don't remember?
Yeah, I don't remember. Like, you guys tossed
And
me around this morning.
you're currently
I don't remember.
homeless.
We're being robbed.
You're currently homeless,
you.
right?
No, I'm linked there.
You're linked there, but you're currently
No,
you don't have a place to
I
live.
own Skyview Apartments now. She just told you that.
No,
Listen
it's
to
not.
your radio.
That's not what she
Man, you're a
said.
fucking retard. Quit talking to me.
I'm not. Hey, Brandon, no.
You're pissing me off. For real, man. I'm about to fucking piss. I'm about to start backing.
I'm trying to
Get the
sort
fuck
this
away
out
from me.
for you.
Get the
No.
fuck away from me, dog.
Brandon,
Get the fuck away from me.
you're trying to get into a store that's closed.
Okay, so when it opens, I'm going to go in there and I'm going to tell them what I want.
No, I don't think they're
Here
going
it
to.
is.
As long as we're here, they're not going to open.
All right, well, bye. What you waiting on?
I think what you need to do is.
I think what you need to do is get the fuck out of here.
Well, you need to talk to your mental health.
I don't need to talk to nobody. Get the fuck out of here.
No.
All right, we'll stay here all day. Fuck.
That's fine. I say just don't. Brandon, don't go anywhere. I do too. I got until 3 at least.
Yeah, you got 2, 3. I got 2, 3. Whatever.
Well, stay with me. Brandon, over here. Are you gonna sit down?
You're harassing me, man.
I'm not
You know
harassing
she's
you.
harassing? Get the fuck away from me.
Copy.
Brandon,
102, I'll be going with 9101.
Hang out
Also,
with me,
wait for him
bro.
at 7 so we can get there at the same
I'm
time.
not scared. I want you to stay with me. Brandon, hey, at least come over here. Let me lock my car. Brandon, Brandon,
Copy.
let me show me that paper again.
No. I just told you.
Hey, do you want? I still have the papers you gave me yesterday. Do you want them back, Brandon?
Bro, you scared of
Come here. I want you to show me what's on these papers from yesterday.
shit. You don't listen.
I've got them in my car.
I just showed you the fucking shit.
I've got more in my
All
car.
right, so go get it.
Come over here with me.
Fuck.
I want you to show me what's going on with these
I
papers. That,
told you, bro. Austin just got 17 years today.
who did?
It's Austin Butters.
What about him?
He just got 17 years
190, you
today. This morning.
Yeah, I'm okay. I'm just trying to keep this guy corralled by myself.
Okay, copy.
Right.
Who's Austin Butters?
Right here.
What did
He's
he
evicted.
And what did he do to you?
He frauded me.
100.
How?
It's right here. Take it.
Hey, this is 2 Victor at 16 on Mound. I don't know if it was
It's backwards now.
We had 43
I'm
A's.
versus him. I'm
43 S's there.
So,
earlier today.
plaintiff
Right there at that
Austin
address.
Butters.
I can head over
Yeah.
there.
It's
This is
backwards now.
February 19th,
It's backwards
2019.
now. Call it in and see what happens.
So are you suing him?
I copy.
Where did you get these? So you went down to court today?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I was just in there.
What's this Fobco?
Oh, Fobco?
Uh-huh.
You should tell me if you know. I'm a CIA. You just said it. Listen to your radio.
Yeah, my radio's not talking about you though.
Yeah.
Yeah, let me try to call
Me,
again.
Fat Daddy.
Yeah, hold on.
Right.
Okay. And the Skyview Apartments, where's that at? Is that up in Worthington where you used to live?
No, it's fucking downtown.
Downtown.
Yeah.
And who helped you get this?
Me.
Okay. It wasn't set up through Southeast or anything?
Well, it can be when I feel like it. I'm going on when I feel like it. I really don't have to do anything else tell me to do, to be honest.
Okay.
Right, you know that.
This is all 3 years old though.
Right, but it's now. Go look at your computer system. Run it in. That's all you gotta do. Run it in. It's new.
Well, this kind of stuff
There you go.
isn't on my
New one.
computer system. Yeah.
Come on. What's that?
It's another
91? 96?
9190.
Oh, yeah, right, exactly. Me. It's on there. It's a new one.
Okay, I called back. This is the mother, not the owner of the car. She says she's sitting far away from it, just watching him.
Hey, bud.
She's afraid to get too close. She said
What's
that
that other
her
thing
daughter
about?
is
You
at
know him?
Riverside on an overdose.
Brandon?
So we don't have any tag information. She doesn't know her social security number for me to get it.
They frauded me. And I went and told them that was going on.
Yeah. He's telling me that he's in the CIA and that he owns
Yeah, it is. It's it.
this business.
They're not lying. Look, run it in.
And he's got eviction
Run it
papers
in.
from 2019
Yeah, run it in.
against him.
Austin Butters. Let's see what happens. Run Austin Butters in real quick and see what happens.
Copy.
Austin Butters?
Yeah.
How do you spell the last name?
Butters.
Yeah, it's on here.
It's right here.
E-R-S.
Yeah, it's right here.
It's one of the names that's on here. Did 720 say where he was coming from?
I didn't hear where he's coming from.
I tried calling his cell and he didn't answer.
I don't know
Because it's
who exactly is that.
MCR. Yeah.
Okay.
He's the sergeant of MCR.
Yeah, I know.
I'm trying to get him to come so we can help resolve this.
No, I don't. I mean, where?
He's he's the sergeant.
Who?
Sergeant Harris.
Who?
He's a
I'm
sergeant
not
for
doing
us.
no, what you want me to sign something?
Well, no, he's going to help resolve the situation for
What
you.
are you going to help me do?
Well, that's what you need help with, right?
Let the car
somehow
go
by
his way, by
chance,
itself.
4 of us
It won't
are
go
in
anywhere.
a
No,
line.
I need
so
you
they're all
guys
the
to
same
go
time.
down to the marathon,
Wonderful.
right? And go ahead and they frauded me.
What'd the marathon do?
The marathon ran in numbers off my off the 503 card. 5 is 5003. That was a new card. It's broken in half. I just turned it in with you yesterday.
Yeah.
Okay, they ran numbers yesterday and played me all day. Look it up on the computer. That's what I did. It's CIA. I'll view it. It's you.
Yeah,
All you guys got to do is do it. And it's official. You can take them right to jail.
Well, some of the other stuff he gave me was like instructions to a lawnmower.
Yeah, it was all Josh Whitmer. That's Josh Whitmer, Bob Beasley, Victor Luffer. That's not me. He said, "Yep."
He came by the
That's not
sub at shift change yesterday. Had some
fraud.
evidence for
Yep,
his
but they owe
fraud.
me money.
He told me a report was taken, and he wanted to give me the evidence. So
Right.
I took it.
Fair enough.
When I looked it up on the computer today, I couldn't find a report.
Right, but it's there now.
Then I went and looked at his documents, and they were like instructions for a lawnmower.
Right,
Fair enough.
Because I didn't look at them last night. I
right.
handed them
That's
to
why I
him.
tried to tell you. Now you scared because
They had
I told
mud
you
all over
a
'em.
captain and pulled everything what to do.
Looks like they came out of a trash can.
Right, because they're Josh Whitmer's.
Okay, where's
Right,
he live?
Like I told you, I have no clue, bub. I don't know. Like I'm not Josh Whitmer. Look him up and look at me up.
And that's who stole your identity?
Yeah, that's who frauded me.
Because you have warrants for fraud
Yeah, Josh Whitmer.
out of Ashland County.
Yeah, that's what he did.
Misdemeanor
Now call
warrants.
Ashland. Yeah, call Ashland County.
Because I was looking him up earlier.
He's white.
So yeah, you
I'm
already.
black.
I was just trying to,
Right.
find what he was talking about.
Right.
So I ran him on leads.
Right,
Fair enough.
right.
I don't know what the pickup is or anything.
Right.
Because he wasn't.
Yeah, misdemeanor.
Wait a minute, he's
Adjacent
white.
at best, but
Yeah.
How can I fraud my own account?
665.
Wait,
know.
there you go, 265.
665.
Yeah, that's a freeway
that's one of
guy.
the freeway guys.
Right.
I couldn't get all the way over to him. You got a male walking down the freeway, backpack and a
You
cane.
want to take a look at this?
Male
Maybe
white.
make some sense.
Yeah.
He's
Well, I
about
tell you,
70, right about the
Hopefully
I'm not
Sarge
playing,
shows
man.
up soon.
Open the store.
They're not going to open the store when we're out here like this.
Oh, I don't know what you're waiting for.
They're waiting on us to have you leave.
I'm not leaving. Right.
Let me give him a buzz again.
Yeah.
He's not going to answer. Kevin's not answering.
Harris is doing.
Stupid. I hate motherfuckers that don't.
He said he's at headquarters.
Right, exactly. So go down there.
Auto.
I don't got to.
Yeah, he's like, I'll head there as soon as possible.
Right, he don't have to.
Okay. Well, I think there's a pink slip here.
Yeah. So, are you hearing anything? Do you take medications?
No, I mean, yeah, I'm supposed to.
You're supposed
But I'm
to
not
take
hearing it. I'm not
medications.
hearing it. I'm God, so I'm on lock. You know what I'm saying? I tried to tell you what it was.
Well, you're not.
Hold on. Here, I'll get a script. This stuff.
91-2, if you had a medical standby, you can cancel them.
Yeah, and then what's going on right now?
Copy.
They stole them. They stole my, I get United Healthcare. My grandma does it. I get a check for that. Alright. Should be at Southeast right now. I need you guys to go down to the
You said
marathon.
your grandma gets a check for you?
No, she shouldn't get that no more. I sent it to 16 West Long Street before the first. I had to change over.
Okay.
Yeah, I give United Healthcare. I'm in the union.
Okay.
I was package handler, and I'm about to go back to work. You know what I'm saying? So my whole thing is like, that's how he frauded it. He never was me. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. It's different, something not right.
Where do you stay at?
Huh?
Put that
Where do
in
you
there.
stay at?
Where do I stay at?
Yeah.
Skyview.
Skyview?
Make all that mine.
Yeah, I'm going to put this all together. This is what you handed me
Right.
yesterday.
Yep.
You remember that?
Yep.
What else? Do you have any other evidence? Is that what's in your hand there?
No,
More
this is
evidence?
me. This Detroit ticket, I need this refunded too. Hey, can you go to what's the name on the marathon? Make sure they get my money. And
We'll
me,
talk
I'll be
to him
charged the
about
precinct.
that. Is that your bus pass?
Yeah, yeah.
What else is in your pocket
Nothing.
there? Yeah, is it papers, bags? You want to
Yeah.
put those in here too?
Hell no.
Well, it's all your property. It's
No,
gonna be with you every week.
Yeah, it's my property, but it's not mine. Feel me? That's all this. I mean, it's me. This is me from court today, but it's reversed backwards. It's on Josh's ass now. That's who's going to court. That's who's going. All white people going in. We own the store.
Well, I think we need to
Yeah,
give you. We're gonna give you a ride, okay?
No, you're not.
Yeah.
All right, we'll prove it.
Well, prove it.
Yeah,
We'll just hop in the car and I'll give you a ride.
I'm not hopping in shit.
Why not?
They don't get it though. Stupid bitch. That's what I'm saying. Like, you don't get it. Blood gang.
get it.
You're not gonna do nothing.
Oh, no, we're just gonna go to the local hospital.
I'm not going to no fucking hospital.
Why not?
Why would I? What you need, DNA done? I'm
I
not
mean,
Josh Whitmer.
we
Nigga,
can-
go
we
to the
can-
hospital and you find out it's in the database.
We can ask him to do DNA.
I mean, we
That'll
can.
help.
I've already done that.
If you want to do that, you could ask.
It was on my face.
We'll attach it to all of this.
Right. It was on my face. So go down there and do it. What you need me for?
Well, because you need to.
You need me to sign
You
something?
need to be there. To
You need
do
me to
it.
sign something, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, you need me to sign something
At
now,
the
huh?
hospital, yeah.
Yeah, huh? But now you
I'll
believe
give you
me?
right up there.
Now you believe me?
Hospital.
Yeah.
Oh, you scared? Bitch. Knock that bitch out.
Here, I'm gonna put a seatbelt on you, okay? And just leave it on because an alarm goes off if you take it off, okay?
Yeah, that stupid
And then you don't have any weapons.
No, bro. The fuck? Now y'all believe me?
Making sure.
Now y'all believe me?
Can you?
16, yeah.
Oh, man. I don't have it.
Okay, I'm just making
Yeah.
sure. Can you lean forward a little bit?
I don't care.
Grant Hospital sound good?
No, I'm not going to Grant. I'll get out.
No.
Doctor's West, dude.
Doctor's West?
Yeah.
Okay, sounds good.
Yeah.
You guys fucking my move up. See what white bitches do? But knock that bitch out, man.
That's
Knock that bitch out.
That's rude.
I'll follow you down there.
Thank you.
He's, yeah.
There's those moments when you're like 720 in the air, start him this way. Did I sound like I was
It
kind of in a hurry?
Yeah, it
Wanna
kind
see
of
where I'll-
hey, I got somebody who's probably gonna have to go somewhere and
Yeah.
don't want to.
And I'm just like, she's dispatching other cars. I'm like, and like as soon as I hear
I
one
was over there
car,
in Ogden when you were
Yeah.
asking for MTR. I'm like, yeah, I'm gonna head that way.
and I'm like, start me a car, please.
please.
This guy was at one point he was all the way out there.
Yeah, he's up and down.
Yeah, my car was unlocked. I'm like,
Praise God.
yeah, alrighty.